Welcome to Cap Industries. This is the installation video for a Cap Industries fire extinguisher bracket into a JK Jeep Wrangler. The tools you'll need to install is an 18mm socket and a ratchet and a couple of 8mm spanners to use the existing hardware to attach the cage of your fire extinguisher to the extinguisher bracket. The procedure to install is very easy. You just remove the two front seat bolts, place the bracket in and put the bolts back in. But let's go do it right now. Before you attach the extinguisher bracket into the vehicle, just bolt the cage of the extinguisher to it. With the cage of the extinguisher bolted onto the bracket, then come and install it. To do that though, the left leg of the seat just needs to be lifted up and the bracket goes underneath, and the other one sits on top. Then the bolts go back in. Then just slip the extinguisher into its cage and clip it up. All done.